Good day. In this video, you are asked to arrange a set of 4 numbers to ascending order. Ascending means they are placed from smallest number to the biggest number. For example, you are asked to arrange 7, 9, 5, 4 in ascending order. First, you have to find the smallest one. The smallest one is number 4. It will be written on a star. The next bigger number is number 5. It will be written on a square. 7 is the next higher number. It will be written on a circle. The last and the biggest number is number 9. It is written on a diamond. This is the correct ascending order of these numbers from smallest to the biggest. By the way, meet our friendly shapes to help us in arranging the numbers. The star, it represents the smallest number. The square represents the number higher than the smallest one. The circle represents the next higher number, whereas the diamond represents the largest or the biggest number. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Are you ready to take the exams? Good luck! Number 1. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 2. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 3. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 4. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 5. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 6. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 7. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 8. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 9. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 10. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 11. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 12. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 13. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 14. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 15. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 16. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 17. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 18. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 19. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Number 20. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. 21. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. 22. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. 23. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. 24. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. 25. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Congratulations! This ends the lesson for the day. I hope you make it good. Otherwise, you will make it better the next time. This is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye, but don't forget to visit, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. Hey, would you like your child to be assist in his or her mathematics skills? Then search and join our Facebook group. See you there.